Attention to detail is key, especially in this PowerPlex conference. There's so many things going on throughout multiple levels of this hotel. So a monitor here, an audio record in this room, a bump to the stage. Every little detail is key, and it's important for somebody in order to make the show successful. Early on, Krista first reached out to us. We started the whole conversation with everything that she was looking for: the general session, the Solutions Expo, the Experience Lab, all the breakout rooms, and we found that we would be a really good fit for everything she needed. Favorite part about producing is the client's reaction at the end, just being able to overachieve on their expectations and deliver a great show.